3-part series, creative as fuck. You want to make more money, you have to think outside the box. You have to start going in deeper with your questionings with the sellers. The whole game of, just offering a cash offer, those days are just about over, man. I mean, look, we're still buying deals, obviously, for cash, but you need to get creative. You have to start doing things a little bit differently. And along with, subject to innovations and lease options, I mean, these are all strategies that if you have them in your tool belt, you can start to deploy. Now, here's one thing I don't want you guys to do, especially if you're new or if you're like intermediate and you're not really like sharp with, if you're not crushing it on the single family side with wholesale or fix and flip and you're just kind of learning this game, don't try to do everything and learn everything. You're gonna wear yourself out. The best thing to do, the smartest thing to do, is to partner up with people who have the experience on getting these deals done. So if you're a wholesale guy and you don't know how to do subject twos, you don't know how to do novation, you don't know how to do equity JV splits, if you don't know how to do judgment buyouts or debt till death do us parts or the debt negotiation model, partner with somebody who does. Call me. I'll partner up with you. Call somebody that you know in your network. Partner up with them as long as they know how to get these deals done. And then as they're doing it, just have them show you, teach you along the way. Do a little Zoom call, 2 or 3 times just to say, what'd you do? How'd you do it? You'll learn and you'll earn at the same time. I mean, that's the way to get to the next level, to try to take every deal in on your own and try to master it. And I can tell you from experience, I did this when I first started 14, 15 years ago. I tried like learning about everything. And when you learn about everything and you don't implement everything, you become like the master of nothing. So whatever you're doing, if you're subject to it, if you're wholesaling, if you're fix and flipping, just go in deep with your line. As other deals come in, partner up, squat up with other guys, other girls, and JV with them and split the profits with them. I mean, you'd rather eat a meal than go hungry, right? Like have a meal instead of just going hungry and passing the deal and fucking it up, because it takes a lot to try to get these deals done, to try to learn how to make it happen.